Hey YouTube, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't hit subscribe already, do that please. Today's episode, we're gonna discuss a common issue with these old square body trucks. So if you have one or you've seen them, most of them have the old hood kink. It's you got a 5-foot long hood made of tin. You hear GM designed it to crumple in case of an accident so the hood doesn't come right through the windshield at you, but if you get in a head-on collision strong enough for the hood to come through the window at you, you got other problems. No airbags in these old girls. So a way to combat the square body hood kink is by getting a set of hood braces, and that'll help stiffen up stuff. If it's already kinked, you can't fix it, but if before you get a kink in that nice hood on your truck, you can install a set of hood braces. I picked these brackets up from ls-fab.com. It's a body shop, I think, out of Wetaskiwin, Alberta. Reasonably priced. I ordered them a couple days ago. Fast shipping. Looks like a very, very well built product. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these right now for you. And yeah. Okay. So what you want to do is loosen off this top bolt of your hood bracket. Just so you can slide the hood brace in just a little bit. Just like that. Bracket. Get it all lined up here. Push up so there's a gap, fit it in, and there you go. It's just pinched under there like that. And you can go ahead, tighten that bolt back down. Just get snug like. There we are. Now the kit comes with self-tapping screws for the rest of it. So we'll throw those in right now. And you just want to go real slow. You do not want to strip out the hole. Easy, like that. There you are, all done. I'll go ahead and do the other side. Same process, and there you go. It shouldn't kink anymore. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like, subscribe, and yeah, see you next time. Okay folks, here is the finished product. I got both sides complete for those ls-fab hood braces. Now once you're all complete, you're gonna want to still lube up your hood hinges. It's always good practice too anyways. And push in. There, just like that. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, notification button, and see you next time.